This here is brought to you by Role Model Records.
Follow, 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 I follow, we follow.
Follow as I follow Christ.
Follow, 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 I follow, we follow.
Follow as I follow Christ.
Follow, 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 I follow, we follow.
Follow as I follow Christ. Follow as I follow Christ. Follow as I follow Christ. They asking spokes how you sound so confident, and you don't blow that purple and got no contraband. Even when your money low and you ain't got no bread, you say for Jesus gladly take a bullet to the head. Tell me how you keep on it, even when you are not performing. When the mic's down, cause your lifestyle evident that God is opponent. Plus you roll around with a glory, even though you roll with no rollies. No Audemars, you can't buy the bar, but you rapping Jesus so boldly. Listen fam, let me be clear, my whole crew, we been there. Crazy grind, but wasting time, chasing cash or dime, so I despair. Sick and dying, but loving it, but blow a spit from my covenant. So why surprised that we open eyes, wanna glorify our godly King? You wanna live, then follow me. Follow us as we follow him. Bring your friends some company, your mom and them who got unbelief. Guarantee you 9 to 5 plus another 5 so you satisfied. That's 100, dog. Stop running, dog. Christ redeems.